By 2019, so-called cloud storage has firmly entered our lives. Instead of the once familiar disks, flash drives, and external hard drives, it is now possible to store any information somewhere out there in some companies' data centers. In this video, we'll talk about the decentralized cloud storage platform Sia and its cryptocurrency Siacoin. It offers the largest, fastest, safest, and most importantly, cheapest way to store data. Let's answer such questions as what are the features of Siacoin cryptocurrency in more detail. We will make an overview of the main characteristics of the coin, SK rate, and news, how and on what is better to mine Siacoin. What are the forecasts and prospects? Stay tuned, there will be a lot of interesting stuff.
Sia is a project that offers a private, decentralized and secure cloud storage platform, hosted on the blockchain at a fraction of the cost of other popular storage platforms such as Dropbox, Amazon S3 and Google Drive. Sia is a concept first appeared at HackMeet, an annual student hackathon back in 2013, and was officially launched in June 2015. It is now backed by Boston-based firm Nebulos Incorporated, whose self-proclaimed mantra reads, "Re-decentralize the internet." The basic idea is that instead of renting storage from a central bank of servers, as with traditional cloud platforms, peers on the Sia platform rent space from each other through its distributed cloud storage platform. Sia uses erasure coding and independent blockchain with tokens called Siacoins to support the network.
The founders of Siacoin are Nebulos Corporation employees David Vorik and Luke Champing. They came up with the idea of creating decentralized cloud storage in 2013 while participating in the annual Hack MIT Developer Forum and the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. The first stage of the project was supported by Prycone Ventures, Fenbushi Capital, and private investor Xiaolai Li. A year later, a white paper was published, and soon the developers held an IPO and issued security tokens.
The beta version of the platform was launched in 2015. The cryptocurrency SC began to be sold on the Poloniex exchange. The company was worth only $0.0003, and many investors did not pay any attention to it, and by winter the price dropped to 0.1,262,000. Only the next year after the official release of Siacoin, the token rate stabilized and even slightly increased. The absolute maximum was recorded during the cryptocurrency fever in January 2018. It was 0.92,868, but by the end of the month the coin was worth 3 times less. However, the cryptocurrency SC cannot have a very high price, otherwise users will become unprofitable to place their files in a decentralized base, and the project will become uncompetitive. The fact that cloud hosting Sia is popular is evidenced by the following data. Since the company founding platform, users have already saved more than 4 PB of data in 925,000 smart storage contracts. The network has now 2 PB of available capacity, and Sia software has been downloaded more than 1 million times. The company also supports third-party communities. These contributors have created file-sharing websites such as Pixel Drain and Goobox, cloud offerings such as Filebase and Sia Cloud, and related applications such as Decentralized and Sia Central.
Siacoin cryptocurrency is a decentralized platform that allows any user to place files in encrypted storage or conversely, to let other users do so. The system works on the basis of a public blockchain, through which transaction, contracts, and evidence of the safety of content are verified. Siacoin cryptocurrency is needed to pay for any services within the network. That is, any user with an SC account can rent space from a host. This is done through smart contracts.
It turns out that the Siacoin network consists of 2 elements, hosts and users, or more simply service providers and customers who want to use the storage. The former provides space for files on their device, for which they receive payment in the form of SC. In the Siacoin ecosystem, the interests of both parties are taken into account. Hosts set their prices, advertise themselves, and set compensation in case data is lost. They can also refuse to host files if they have doubts about their nature. In general, the reason for refusal can be anything. everything. And customers, when they make a deal, can spell out the amount of penalty against the host in case the data is lost. The user can also make copies of their content and place it between different hosts. This provides additional security. Note that clients have the right to incentivize hosts by paying them extra for reliability.
In 2021, the Sia Foundation began operation. It is a new non-profit organization created to develop and support distributed cloud storage infrastructure. The foundation is registered in the US and is governed by a board of directors that includes Siacoin project leaders Luke Champion and Eddie Wang. The foundation's main source of funding will be a new block grant that does not affect the award to miners. Each quarter, the foundation will publish the progress made over the last quarter and list the responsibilities it intends to prioritize in the next quarter.
Foundation will be accompanied by a financial report detailing each area of expenditures from the last quarter and a forecast of expenditure from the coming quarter. The priority is to support and improve Sia's core software. The Foundation also intends to develop solutions for the scalability of the Sia blockchain. In particular, work has already begun on an implementation of Utrixo, which will significantly reduce space requirements for fully validated nodes, while increasing bandwidth and reducing initial synchronization time. Any community-managed service such as Skynet Portal, Explorer or Web Wallet can apply to have its costs covered by the Foundation. Once approved, the Foundation will reimburse expenses incurred by the service, subject to the exact conditions agreed upon. These grants are designed to make such services break even for their operators. The fund will allocate a portion of the funds to protect the community from lawsuits. It will also protect the network from 51% attacks and other threats to network security by implementing soft forces or hard forces if necessary. The Foundation also intends to help develop a new FOSS software license and request legal memoranda on various Sia-related issues, such as the US and EU placements.
To create a new block in the Siacoin network, proof-of-work calculations are used. As Siacoin mining is based on the Blake hashing algorithm, when creating the new blockchain system, the developers put in its basis such a mechanism that the reward for mining the first block was 300,000 tokens. With each subsequent block mined, the reward decreases by 1 unit.
The volume of SC issuance by the project is not limited. By the end of 2020, the mining royalty will fall to the level of 30,000 coins per mined block, at this level in the future, and will continue monthly mining emissions. Siacoin mining is possible both on video cards and with the help of special equipment, ASICs. For the first option, Claymore's dual miner program is suitable. It is designed for simultaneous mining of Ethereum and one of the other flow coins. The program is used for mining powerful AMD and Nvidia video cards. It is much more profitable to mine coins using ASICs. In July 2017, the Siacoin team announced the development of its own ASIC for coin mining. The first model of SC1 equipment will get the following declared parameters: hash rate 800 plus GHz per second, power consumption 500 watts. The Antimatter A3 miner for Siacoin was announced by Bitmain. Already 10 minutes after the start of sales, the first batch was sold out. The manufacturer promised to ship the equipment from the factory within 10 working days. The claimed hash rate is 815 GHz per second with a power consumption of 1275 watts.
Major cryptocurrency exchanges are available to purchase Sia coins: HitBTC, Bittrex, Poloniex. SC trades in tandem with BTC and ETH. The largest volume of trades in this altcoin occurs on the South Korean exchange Ambit. However, it should not be considered as a platform for purchase because the interface is presented in the Korean language and the South Korean authorities plan to ban trading on local crypto exchanges to citizens of other countries.
Direct exchange resources can be offered as an alternative to cryptocurrency exchanges. One of them is CoinSwitch, where SC is sold for BTC and Qtum. Here is a quick exchange bypassing the exchange. However, you need to watch the exchange rate because it may not always be profitable. The most reliable place to store Sia coin is wallets. You can create them in the official Sia UI application. It is designed for Linux, macOS and Windows operating systems. The application is available for download on the official website sia.tag. The creation of a new wallet begins after clicking on the Wallet tab on the left sidebar and then selecting the Create a New Wallet button. The new account will immediately generate a password, which must be saved in a safe place. If the password is lost, access to the funds stored in the wallet will be impossible. The first time the account is activated, it is synchronized with the Sia blockchain. In the Sia UI app, you can also contract to store your files in Sia's decentralized storage or provide hard disk space for other people's files for a fee.
Although at the moment, Siacoin cryptocurrency cannot boast that it really already competes with the giants of the market, in the future the project can show itself. But it is also necessary to consider the pressure from blockchain competitors. The truth is that to do so, all the points of the multi-year plan described in the white paper need to be completed. The Siacoin team is working hard, as evidenced by the monthly reports published on the official website.
If the problem of data centers and security is solved by blockchain technology, then attracting customers and earning a reputation lies entirely on the development team. However, when people realize that it is possible to make money with Siacoin cryptocurrency even with an old personal computer with an internet connection, the popularity of the platform will go up. As for investing in a project, it is probably not the best decision. The reason is simple: the constantly increasing issue in conjunction with inflation simply will not make money, and based on data for the last year, based on tangible growth, is not expected. Of course, if the developers do not release all their developments into the world at once.
Thanks for choosing us. Check out the channel for new videos.